Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Busy Vegan Mom. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, healthiest pumpkin oat cookies. But first, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my plant-based inspiration. You'll need some oats, some pure maple syrup, some pumpkin pie spice, some canned pumpkin puree, and the chocolate chips are completely optional, but I wouldn't leave them out. Next, you're going to mix your oats. I like to use old-fashioned oats, not quick oats. Old-fashioned oats have a lot of really awesome nutrients in them, and I just know that they would be better in this type of cookie. And take your pumpkin puree, measure out, I think it was a full cup, and put that into your mixing bowl. Did you know pumpkin is so good for your immune system and is so rich in vitamins and antioxidants? It's just so good to eat it during the fall time as it is in season. Your pure maple syrup will also need to go in the mixing bowl. I added a little bit of cinnamon, even though it's not included in the ingredient list. You guys know I love cinnamon, so I couldn't resist. Just mix this all really well in your mixing bowl. I'm telling you, these are really the easiest cookies ever. They're very similar to the banana ones that I made. I will link the video here above. All it is swapping out the pumpkin with the banana, so I'll link that video above so you can check it out. And all you have to do after you mix them is just grab a big old handful of this mixture. I spread it out on my pan almost like it looks like little veggie patties. Like, that's what it made me think of when I did this. Make sure your hands are nice and clean, of course. You are not going to be able to resist snacking on this batter. It's really, really good. The chocolate chips, I'm telling you, make sure you have some dairy-free ones. And as less ingredients as possible, though the batter is excellent. So we preheated the oven to 350 and put these in for 10 minutes on 350. And then once they were done, you have to let them cool for a while, but they're going to look pretty much exactly the same, just a little more golden.
You want cookies? You good? You got it. Is it so good? You love it? Is it good? Uh-oh, did you drop some? You like it? Yeah. Say good cookies.
There you have it. Simple, easy, kid-friendly, and of course you can leave out the chocolate chips if you want to, especially if you're serving these to kids under 2, because we don't want them having any extra sugar, that's for sure. If you have enjoyed my video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit the like button. It helps out so much with my channel. If you want to support my channel further, you can go to buymeacoffee.com/thebusyveganmom. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my plant-based inspiration.